How you doing, everybody? This is Ciaran Larkin from Larkin Motors up here in Finglas, and Ciaran attended a Cork AutoInform Live 3 years ago. Ciaran, we're in your busy, noisy workshop here. I just wanted to get an idea from you. You're going back again this year with a few of the lads to the RDS, and did you feel that AutoInform Live was relevant for your business?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it touches on kind of snippets of every part of the industry, and it's all very, very current and very, very relevant. So you don't get the whole full show of a certain area, but you certainly get enough information to know whether it's applicable to your business or not. So you can get an idea whether you should be doing that area or you should not be doing that area in the motorcycle.
So really about specialisation.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You get a lot of information on really specialist areas within the motor vehicle, be it like DSG, transmission, or DPFs, etc. And then you can say to yourself afterwards, well, look, there's a lot involved in that. It's maybe not for me, and you don't need to attempt that side of the car and leave it to a specialist.
Perfect. And did you feel like attending AutoInform Live helped you to maybe future plan your business a little bit, like about specialisation, etc.?
Yeah, it gave me enough information to decide, listen, that's not really for us, or it was able to give me an idea of how much investment was involved, etc., and how much time was going to be involved to kind of, let's say, be a DSG transmission specialist, and what was involved. I was able to get enough information to decide whether it's for me or not for me. But you're going to meet like-minded people as well, so you're not just going to finish learning in the seminar. Let's say you'll meet people in the canteen, you'll meet people outside, you'll be able to get loads of information for the whole duration of the thing. But realistically, 2 days, it's crammed in there for 2 days. There's a lot in 2 days.
So you think guys should book to go to this?
I wouldn't waste my time on 1 day, let's be honest with you. I think it's a 2 day.
Great stuff. Listen, thanks a million. We look forward to seeing you there on the 2nd and 3rd April. Thanks, Ciaran.